Welcome to BigONE Weekly News Update. I'm Gavin. Market dynamics and current valuations. Last week, the cryptocurrency market witnessed a substantial downturn, with major currencies plummeting to new lows. Bitcoin, the leading digital currency, saw its value drop to just over $80,000, marking a 14% decrease within the week. Ethereum followed suit, descending to slightly above $2,000, reflecting a near 20% drop. Meanwhile, Solana experienced a sharper fall of 28%, stabilizing around $125. The Fear and Greed Index, a measure of market sentiment, has tipped into an extreme fear territory. Concurrently, the negative to low single-digit annualized financing rates for perpetual futures of BTC, ETH, and SOL suggest that the market is significantly oversold. Correlation between Bitcoin and global money supply. Post-correction, Bitcoin's correlation with the global M2 money supply, which had briefly disconnected, has once again tightened. This correlation highlights Bitcoin's sensitivity to shifts in the global monetary landscape, exacerbated by current geopolitical tensions, trade tariff issues, and worries over U.S. economic growth. This uncertainty has rippled through the risk markets, evidenced by a more than 10% drop in the Nasdaq index since the year's start, with capital migrating from U.S. stocks towards European markets. Impact of U.S. policy on cryptocurrency. Recent market movements were heavily influenced by anticipations of a digital asset reserve bill proposed by the Trump administration. After the bill's details were unveiled, Bitcoin prices corrected from highs above $90,000 to around $80,000, in classic sell the news fashion. On a policy front, President Trump has signed an executive order establishing a strategic Bitcoin reserve, SBR, aimed at holding Bitcoin and prohibiting its sales. The U.S. government's Bitcoin strategy. The U.S. government's current crypto holdings are valued at approximately $17.8 billion, 97.7% of which are in Bitcoin. Notably, about 112,000 of these Bitcoins were confiscated from the Bitfinex hack and are earmarked to be returned, leaving an effective reserve of about $7.9 billion in Bitcoin. It is estimated that up to 88,000 Bitcoins could be utilized for strategic reserves, amounting to around $7.56 billion. Long-term outlook and regulatory developments. Despite the short-term market drop following the announcement, the long-term outlook for digital assets appears promising. This incident represents the first instance where the U.S. government has acknowledged the strategic geopolitical significance of Bitcoin. Moreover, the recent Senate decision to overturn DeFi broker rules, and the upcoming SEC-hosted Cryptocurrency Clarification Spring Sprint Roundtable starting March 21 indicate a forward-moving regulatory environment focused on crypto assets. Emerging focus on Solana's ecosystem. The Solana ecosystem is garnering increased attention ahead of significant developments. Notably, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange is set to introduce SOL futures contracts on March 17, making it the third cryptocurrency listed on the exchange, following Bitcoin and Ethereum. Additionally, a proposed update, SIMD 228, could modify Solana's inflation mechanics, transitioning to a market-based dynamic inflation system from a fixed scheme. These developments encapsulate the fluid nature of the cryptocurrency market, highlighting its vulnerabilities and the strategic measures being employed to navigate through these turbulent times.
Join BigONE today and take advantage of the growing cryptocurrency market.